Just sold a pullback to the moving average. Strong 21, 22, and 22 transitioning below the moving average, below the trend line. So expecting a second leg down. Just got filled there for 4 points. My first trade was selling during 9 after the 3 bars down. It's a mistake I made on this day. After I exited break even, it's a sell up here. That's kind of just a failure condition of my trade. So I buy the micro channel and then we get a disappointment on the pullback, which is a very strong pullback. And then usually there are sellers up there. And so I should have sold that, but missed it. And then here I did sell it. So disappointing after 5 bar bull micro channel, disappointing pullback on 5, 6, 7. So probably sellers up here in the upper third. And so I did sell during 9 as it started to pull back. But I was looking for a test in the moving average. And it didn't quite get there on 9 and raced all the way back up. So I exited break even on 9 as it raced up and then didn't sell again. And so I missed the actual move down to the moving average. So ended up break even on that one and then 4 points here. I have an order to buy a pullback here on bar 39. 2 bar breakout 37, 38. Consecutive closes above the prior high. But the breakout's happening as a late leg in a tight channel. So this is also all a late leg in a larger move. So multiple pushes up here. So I think upside's probably limited, but I think we'll get a small second leg from 37, 38. That's all I'm looking for here, if I can get filled. So just got filled there, and just looking for a small test up, just because I don't know how much upside is left. It's a decent breakout of the trading range, but just the overall context and the fact that it's happening as a late leg has me a little bit suspicious. So just looking for a test of the high close. If 39 didn't close like this and closed in the upper half of the bar, I would have waited for 4 points. But because 39 is a disappointing bar after 37, 38, I'm just looking to get out the high close. So it looks like we're going to get 2 decent sized bear bars in an expanding triangle. Probably have to go more sideways here before getting a reversal, but because of the context and the 2 bear bars, I'm going to look to exit. This is already a deep pullback, so we may need a second leg down from that, even if we're going to get a larger second leg up. So I'd rather exit break even here if I can get filled. I didn't get filled on my scale in order, so that would have been break even on the first and profit on the second. So again, kind of trapped out of the profit. Now just looking to get out break even. So just got filled there. Exited with a 1 tick loss. Just sold here during 61. Wedge bull flag 60. Couldn't trigger and looks like give up bar. So expecting a test of the 24 low and the open of the day. On the 15-minute chart, we have a clear channel here, and we're breaking below the channel, breaking below the 15-minute moving average. So I think the 8 low on the 15-minute chart is a reasonable target, and that is this higher low on the 5-minute chart. So I moved my order up a couple ticks and just got filled at the low of that bar, bar 61. On the 15-minute chart, clear spike in channel, very extended, and usually a trend on the 5-minute chart doesn't last more than 2.5 days. And so we're more than halfway through today, and we turn into a bull channel. So you have to assume that we're probably going to form a trading range. And in a bull channel, once we break below it convincingly, probably going to test higher lows. So that was my thought. I was waiting for a setup here to sell a strong breakout. But instead of getting that, the bulls kept failing. Attempt on 49, bull signal bar, failed. Attempt on 54, failed. Attempt on 56, failed. And then 60 didn't even trigger for the wedge bull flag. And it looks like all the bulls gave up and bears started selling. I'm going to call it there. I was hoping for something to sell up here. Something clear at least, but we went up with 5 bull bars, 5 bull bodies, just a little bit too strong. So I decided to let it go and probably not going to take any more trades today. So finishing up 8 points, which is around $36 after commissions. And yeah, decent way to start the week. I felt pretty comfortable today trading. Hopefully can keep it going for the rest of the week. So hope you all had a good trading day, and I'll be back tomorrow.